Hello kids, let's know about birds. Most birds can fly. This has meant that over the years they have been able to live in places that other animals could not get to. They live all over the world, even in this silly Arctic. Scientists have discovered that modern birds evolved from dinosaurs. These are all birds. Oh, this is stork, hummingbird, ostrich, penguin. There are lots of birds. Owl, doves, kiwi, avocet. Oh, beautiful birds. Duck. Oh, which bird has the most feathers? Most feathers. Let's know. Take a look through the birds pages and see if you can spot who these body parts belongs to. Birds. Buzzard. Blackbird. Macaw. Can you guess? A world full of birds. There are almost 10,000 different kinds of birds in the world. They range from the enormous flightless ostrich, which is taller than a man, to the bee hummingbird, which is smaller than your thumb. Ooh. This is flamingo, turkey, swan. Lots of birds. The world of birds. Only a few animals in the world are able to fly, insects, bats, and birds, but none of them are more powerful or skilled than birds. This is feathers. Feathers, friends. Birds are only the creatures that have feathers. They use them to fly and to keep warm. Some birds use brightly colored feathers for display. Different feathers have different jobs on a bird. Outer wings, inner wings, tail feathers, body feathers, soft and downy to keep a bird warm. Some have exotic colors. Fly. Birds that can fly have wings and a very light skeleton. Many of the bones are hollow. Their short and compact bodies also help make them neat flyers. By flapping its wings up and down, the bird remains in the air. Traveling birds. About one-third of birds spend summer in one place. Then, when the winter sets in, they fly thousands of miles to a warmer spot. Often they go to exactly the same places year after year. Feet. The shapes of birds' feet vary in different habitats. Eagle foot, parrot foot, wake foot, ostrich foot. And bills, the shape and size of a bird bill or beak show what they eat. Duck, woodpecker, chaffinch, heron. Communication. All birds have good hearing, so they can respond to song from other members of their family. Birds are well known for their toots and some like the sport. A good decorator. Wild but true, some birds of prey perform amazing aerobatic displays. The male and female lock talons in mid-air and fall almost to the ground before swooping up again. In Flamingo. It is important for birds to find the right partner. Peacock, the male shows off by shaking his spectacular tail. Swans, where male and female swan mate, they stay together for life. Pheasant, male pheasant flight aggressively with each other for females. Of the 15 species of crans, 11 are either threatened or in endangered extinction. Nesting. All birds lay eggs, which other animal finds tasty. To keep their eggs safe, many birds build nests. A city in a nest. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds in the world. Weaver birds. Out of which the most important things about a nest that no animals can reach it. For this reason, many birds build their nest in trees. Handy holes all over the tree were good places keep eggs safe. Woodkeepers make nests by shooting through the wood with their sharp beaks. Eggs. Birds' eggs come in a variety of size and colors. Hatching out. Making or finding a nest is a lot of work for birds, but looking after the eggs and chicks is even harder. Nest birds. Baby birds. Water birds. Water birds often born on the ground rather than in nests, so they have to be able to get out of danger quickly, battling tech to water version after hatching. Okay, kids, next part will come. Keep watching. Bye bye.